Sorry. Yeah, no, go ahead, please.
Thank you so much for giving me this opportunity to speak. So first of all, to introduce myself, my name is Arnab, and currently working in one of an MNC. And means I wanted to move in, means I wanted to have a break into the automotive industry, and I have tried myself for some time before, like finding level up last year and some time back. But I was unfortunately I did not get the right opportunity, or maybe I did not have the right knowledge about the subjects that were needed as an experience. But then about 3 months back, means one of my friends found Level Up on LinkedIn, and he forwarded me the post from Level Up suggesting that just if you want to means have a break into the automotive sector and come learn from us. And that's when like I contacted Level Up, and when I had the first talk with them, I felt that this might be the best place where I can have a go at my choice, my preferred working industry. And at the first moment, like before I started the course, I was a bit skeptical about this, like what would happen after 3 months, if at all I would be really placed in an automotive company or not. And what would be the like basic questions which come to our mind when we're trying to do a break. So means as and when the course started, so I think I was one of the last members who joined the course at that point of time. But nevertheless, as the course progressed, I became felt more and more confident, and I learned about the automotive, the various sets and schemes of how automotive systems work, then how the testing is done, how validation is done, then what are the software tools being used, automotive protocols, and like diagnostic protocols, and how we go about doing testing, how we go doing validation, and what are the steps involved, what are the various processes involved in any automotive project or industry. Then various like processes, like when I could say, like not to name anything, but the various processes involved in the automotive management, project management, and all these things were taught to us in a very systematical manner. And I think this would, in a way, that anyone who is not working in automotive background, who does not have experience in automotive background, can learn these things. And like even if you have some experience in embedded, or some experience into some sort of validation or testing, and you can learn these things quickly, and also you can apply these to your real, whatever you're working on. And subsequently, like as soon as you learn the concepts and it becomes more and more clear, and you'll be able to like grasp these things. And if you're someone who who loves cars, and this will be very beneficial for you to understand your car more, like in terms of like the knowledge perspective. So both while getting the knowledge and also like gaining the required skills to make a break. So these things helped me, and subsequently I was placed uh, in three automotive companies, major companies. And also I got a very decent hike from my current salary. And I'm really happy that I got to means connect with LevelUp, and like enrich my knowledge, and also like progress and make a break into my preferred career uh, fields.
Okay, so I know why did you really select Level Up above all the courses that you would have seen or inquired about?
Yes, so I was trying to find out courses which would help me gain this type of knowledge, but most of the like I did went through a few other courses available on the internet, not to name any, but I went through a curriculum, and also they did not offer me that confidence to go with it. But and one of the most attractive schemes here in Level Up, I felt, is that money back guarantee. If you're not placed, your money would be given back, no questions asked. And that I think is the most punching factor at Level Up, that if someone is giving such a big guarantee, then there has to be something. And now I feel that is 100% true. That is why I went for level up. Thankfully, I went for level up.
Yeah, just to make sure, in your batch, how many people were there and how many got placed? And did we really refund anybody? Were there any situation like that?
As of today, means this is the I think this is the fourth month of our batch. And yes, nobody yet has been refunded the money. Everyone has to pay, and everyone is placed.
Everyone is placed.
I congratulate everyone, and I congratulate Level Up for this achievement as well.
Sure, sure. So, out of scale of 1 to 5, what do you suggest would be the overall rating, and what kind of people would you suggest, or engineers would you suggest to join this course?
Okay, so on a scale of 1 to 5, I would definitely give a 4.5. The 0.5 is just because, like I have mentioned, some feedbacks and like some more things which can be covered. And I think that if that is covered, that's an absolute 5. And anyone who has like background in electronics, electrical, mechatronics, then computer science, I think they all can try and go for level up. And like basically, if you have some sort of technical background with some sort of electronics and programming knowledge, that will be very much beneficial. And anyone can come to level up and make a break over here.
Okay, okay, Arnab, thanks
I
for
would
your time.
100% recommend to everyone
Surely, surely. Thank
who
you for
wants
your
to make a
feedback,
break.
and thanks for your time. Thank you.